Did you know that poor posture could be the hidden cause of your double chin? Today, we're combining Gua Sha Massage with posture boosting exercises for powerful natural results. When you get a chance, ask your friend or family member to take a picture of you from the side profile when you're not looking. It's the best way to see your real posture, and the truth will set you free. Hi everyone, this is Sanyang from Lemore Beauty. For best results, do this on clean, moisturized skin with a clean Gua Sha tool. I'm using our premium Obsidian Gua Sha tool. You can get yours at www.lemorebeauty.com. Use special code LemoreBeauty for 10% off with free US shipping. This is the tool I personally trust using in my own wellness routine. Without much ado, let's begin. We're gonna do Kiss the Sky with Gua Sha. This is a demo here just to show you. We're gonna kiss the sky like this. And as you keep that expression, this helps open up your neck, tones your neck, your under chin, your jawline, and improves your circulation. And we're going to combine it with Gua Sha using this edge to help lift it all up like so, lightly. And we're going to do that 3 times on each side here. Let's begin. Kiss the sky. Keep that expression. We're going to lightly sweep all the way up like so and wiggle. Release. 2 more. Third. Switch. We'll do the other side. Kiss the sky. Keep that expression. And we're going to do the other side here, all the way from the bottom of our neck. Wiggle on the edge here. 2 more. Sweep all the way up. Wiggle here. Third. Sweep lightly all the way up. And release. Now we're going to open up the sides of our neck and tone our under chin and jawline. And I'm going to show you a quick demo here. We're going to keep the shoulder one side back and down, tilt towards it, gently look up. We're going to kiss the sky like this. Keep that expression, and we're going to use this edge to gently sweep down like this. And we're going to do 3 swipes on each side, this side and the other side. So let's begin. We're going to use our hand for leverage to keep our shoulder back and down, and gently tilt your head towards that side. And we're going to gently look up, and we're going to use this edge as we kiss the sky here. Keep that expression and sweep down. 2 more. Third. Switch, we'll do the other side. Gently tilt your other shoulder back and down away from your ears. Tilt towards it. Gently look up, and we're going to kiss the sky. And use this edge to sweep right behind our ear, all the way down to your shoulder. 2 more. Third. Now we're going to roll our shoulders back and down a few times here. Just breathe and release all the tension. Let it go. Now we're going to place our tongue on the roof of our mouth in a lifting motion. I will show you a demo with my mouth open, but for the exercise, I'll keep it closed, like this. When you place your tongue on your roof, it activates the deep neck muscles and naturally lifts your jawline. And we're going to combine it with acupressure using the soft pads of your thumb, like this. So let's begin. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth in a lifting motion. And using your thumbs, apply acupressure. You should feel some resistance here. Second, third, keep lifting your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Release. Now we're going to do thoracic extensions with Kiss the Sky. I love doing this throughout the day. You're going to gently clasp your hand like this, place behind your head, and gently roll into a ball. And open up your whole posture and kiss the sky. And second, roll into a ball. Open up like a flower and kiss the sky. Third, gently roll into a ball. And open up to the sky. Feel your whole body open and kiss it. Gently come back to the center and release it down. Congrats, you did it. Do this routine once a day in the morning or in the evening or whenever it works for you, and you will notice a reduced double chin and a naturally lifted look in your face and neck. You will also feel more energized, aligned, and confident. If you enjoyed this video, check out our face massages and exercises playlist. If you want the tool I used in this video, shop at www.lemorebeauty.com. Use special code LemoreBeauty for 10% off with free US shipping. Thank you for showing up today. You got this, and we love you.